All right, Alan, here we go. I guess you'll eventually see what we pull for you. Pantheon and Immaculate. Old school baseball and honestly, Immaculate's kind of just smorgasbord football. New guys, old guys, the whole 9 yards.
Kim said, I said, can you hear it? She said, yes and yes. Is it entertaining? She says, pretty cool. She's enjoying the live feed. Hopefully everyone's enjoying the feed here. Here we go.
What's up, Rory? All right, Pantheon. I love the die cuts. I would love to see someone do that set. Oh, look at that. 3,000 hit club right on top. I don't even usually think about him as a 3,000 hit club, but he is. Lou.
Wow.
Lou Brock. How'd Broglio turn out for you guys? Lou Brock, 3,000 hit club. Bat relic, number 299. 300 win club. Gaylord Perry. Number 249.
Oh.
500 home run club. Mr. Barry Bonds. $199 on Barry. And 700. That's kind of. I mean, I guess he's in both clubs. It just seems weird to refer to him as 500 home run club and 700 home run club.
Oh.
It's kind of weird.
That's awesome.
I would have just figured he would have been in the 700 home run club. But I guess he's in all of the clubs.
He goes into all of them.
Yeah, he's on a whole nother level. But he still gets access to the rest.
Is he with the Marlins anymore?
Oh, Pesky. Number to 199. Johnny Pesky. Rodarius jersey.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Pesky's pole. Numbered to 25. Next, Harold Baines. Milestone scripts. This one is 541 slugging percentage in 1984.
Oh, my God. I've got a monster coming.
Oh, he's switching to a different browser.
Here comes a monster. I feel it.
Oh, we talked about him earlier tonight. Andrew Jones, the great entertainers, bat jersey pinstripe auto. Andrew Jones.
Good.
Oh, you got a good one on the back. Number the 20. You saw it.
Yeah, what's a goodie?
Tom Glavine.
That's a goodie.
Milestone scripts, hard signed. 305 career wins. Hall of Famer. Also a really good guy. We were at a party with him a couple years ago, and he was just classy. Fit
He's
right
not
in.
above himself, is
No,
he?
he acted like a normal human being. It was like
Yeah.
kind of refreshing. Canseco was there too, and he was
Oh,
the
that's
opposite.
I've had the displeasure of meeting him.
Alan, perfect. I just saw your text. Yeah, he was. Yeah.
He's a special guy.
Yeah.
It's individual.
Melissa was doing the photography for that party for Panini and was just kind of sickened about just the way he was.
Oh, he's something else.
Yeah,
I mean, how does the world even move without him?
I know. Yeah, that was not a fun one.
There's another cat here in Kansas City like that.
Another cool one was Ricky Williams. Was
Was he
awesome. Awesome. He's a card collector, so he was just
He
like
is?
googly. Yeah.
Oh, good.
All right, we got a redemption on the back. Uh-oh.
Oh, my.
I think is Zeke. Well, I think one of the boys is a redemption.
Oh, I hope it's a triple, quadruple. Make me wrong.
All right, here we go. Kurt Warner to 99.
Magical Michael.
JJ and DeAndre Hopkins, numbered to 15. That is a short print for sure. Most of those are numbered to 99. Numbered to 15. Oh,
my gosh.
dang.
There it is. Look at
Keenan
that.
Reynolds, disgusting. Oh, mercy.
Oh, that is so
The
awesome.
whole bird.
I mean, is it a one-on-one?
Bird.
one-on-one.
Bird.
So
3 of 4.
It's real sparkly.
Oh my gosh.
The light hit that and the spark was amazing. Wow. Michael is on fire tonight, guys. Wasn't he the Navy midshipman?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep. First person out of Navy to ever be selected for the NFL.
Amazing. That's cool. That's cool.
We actually opened cards with him on the field at the rookie photo shoot.
You did?
In the group with the guys.
Oh,
You haven't experienced that yet,
no,
have you?
that'd be great.
We could go down to the field, and part of their contract is they have to sit down and open cases with us.
That'd be goofy with us.
And so people join breaks that the
We're doing
players are. Hackenberg was the best.
Really?
Amazing, yeah. 63 of 99. Pharaoh Cooper. He looks real good. I mean, if you can look good on the Rams, Cooper looks pretty good.
Is that shoulder popper?
Yep.
Somebody's shoulder just popped from all the power he's using.
Next, number to 99, DeAndre Washington. Eye black autograph. All right, here we go. Let's see what set it's from. It's got to be an RPA, right? Premium patch rookie auto gold of Cody Kessler, Cleveland Browns quarterback. Yep.
Is gold 10 or 25?
On the jumbos, I think it's 25.
Okay.
I think on this one, premium patch, yeah, 25. I think.
All right. Oh, that Ravens thing is cool too.
Boom. That's filthy.
I gotta take a picture of it.
That's filthy. Should I feed it before I send it to you? There you have it, Alan.